Hey guys, Chris from RiG'd here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install your RambleSwing. For this installation, you'll need a torque wrench that goes up to 100 foot-pounds, a 15-inch or longer extension, a hitch pin, and the provided grease. Your RambleSwing is going to come in the swinging left orientation. If you want to change that, I'll show you how to do that at the end of the video. The first step is to grease the top of your gold zinced wedge and both sides of the wedge ramp. Now it's time to install the RambleSwing in your hitch. Now I'm going to show you how to line up your hitch pin holes before we torque it down. First, you're going to line up the hitch pin hole on the RambleSwing with the hitch pin on the vehicle. Then you're going to insert the hitch pin into the RambleSwing. Then you're going to pull back on the unit and then remove the hitch pin. The reason that we pull back on the unit when the hitch pin is in is because when you tighten down on the wedge, it pulls the unit slightly closer to the vehicle, realigning the hitch pin holes. All right, now grab your torque wrench and let's torque it down to 85 foot-pounds. Now install your hitch pin and you're ready to ramble. If you want to use your RambleSwing in the passenger swing orientation, all you have to do is move the lanyard to the opposite side of the RambleSwing. To do so, just loosen and uninstall the bolts that are holding the lanyard tab on and move them to the other side. So that concludes our RambleSwing install for today. If you have any more questions, give us a call or shoot us an email at support@rigsupply.com. Have a good one.